So today we will be doing question answers on chapter resources. So let's start. Answer the following questions. Question 1. Why are resources distributed unequally over the earth? So the answer will be earth has varied topography, climate and altitude at different places. The distribution of natural resources depends upon number of physical factors like terrain, climate and altitude. The distribution of resources is unequal because these factors differ so much over the earth. Let's repeat the answer so that you can easily remember it. Earth has varied topography, climate and altitude at different places. The distribution of natural resources depends upon number of physical factors like terrain, climate and altitude. The distribution of resources is unequal because these factors differ so much over the earth. Now let's proceed to question 2. What is resource conservation? The answer will be using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. It involves the protection and ethical use of valuable resources such as minerals, water, trees, wildlife and others. Now why, in the first line, why I am saying using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed? Because the renewable resources, they take much more time. They can take many years to get renewed, so you have to give them time to get renewed, and that is called resource conservation. It involves the protection and ethical use. Ethical means legal and limited use of valuable resources such as minerals, water, trees, wildlife and others. You should not use them in unlimited quantity, otherwise they will get exhausted. Okay. Question 3. Why are human resources important? Now what are human resources? We are human resources, right? Now humans can make the best use of nature to create more resources when they have the knowledge, skill and the technology to do so. That is why human beings are a special resource. Education and health help in making humans a valuable resource. It is the skills of human that help in transferring the physical material into a valuable resource, making human resources important. Now you can take an example like the humans found iron. Now they made so many products from iron, right? That is why we can say that humans are a valuable resource. Or you can say, a teacher says, for example, best sort of waste competition is there in your school, right? So now you will make new ideas to create something new out of that best out of waste, even from a cardboard box. So that is why human resources are important, because they can make a valuable thing from a less valuable thing as well, right? Now what is sustainable development? Answer: balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable development. The future of our planet and its people is linked with our ability to maintain and preserve the life support system that nature provides. Okay? Therefore, it is our duty to ensure that all uses of renewable resources are sustainable, the diversity of life on the earth is conserved, the damage to natural environmental system is minimized. Okay? So you have to learn these answers thoroughly. Now question 2, tick the correct answer. So first one, which one of the following does not make a substance a resource? So the answer will be, now there are three options: A, utility, B, value and C, quantity. So the answer will be quantity. Quantity is not a substance that makes a resource. Utility and value makes a resource. Then question 2, which one of the following is a human made resource? A, medicines to treat cancer, B, spring water, C, tropical forest. Now the answer is A, medicines to treat cancer, because humans have made these medicines. These are made by humans. That is why it is a human made resource. And rest two things are natural resources: spring water and tropical forest. Okay. Then third one, complete the statement. Biotic resources are A, derived from living beings, B, made by human beings, C, derived from non-living things. So the answer will be derived from living beings. Then made by human beings are human made resources, right? We have just read here. Then derived from non-living things are abiotic resources. Okay, from non-living things we get abiotic, and biotic, and from living beings we get biotic. So here we come to the end of this solutions exercise, and if you want the complete chapter, you can You will get the link from the description box. Thank you.
Hello children, in my videos I read the chapter for you as it is very important for you so that you can go through the chapter with me, and this will definitely help you gain good marks in your exams. And if you will revisit my videos, it will help you in recalling when you are sitting in the exam and giving your paper, and you will also memorize the chapter thoroughly.